How to make the About blank page black or any other color in Firefox. Is there a built-in way in Firefox to blacken or to color the About column blank page? Will I maybe save some energy by doing so?
Under About Config, change browser.display.background_color from #FFFFFF to whatever hex value you want. Changing screen space to a dark color, preferably black, will only make a power difference when using AMOLED screens, most commonly found on phones. So if you're using a regular LCD, TFT or its display, you won't see any battery life improvements, but your browser will be swagged out.
Yes, you can change the color. As explained here, you should. Windows, go to %of/data%/mozilla/firefox/profiles and open the folder in there. On Linux the equivalent is ~/mozilla/firefox/random_text.default/. On OS X it is /library/application support/firefox/profiles/random_text.default. Look for the Chrome folder. In that folder, find usercontent_example.css and rename it to usercontent.css. The folder and file may not be there yet with newer Firefox versions. If so, simply create them manually. Add this line to the file. As to whether it will save energy, probably not. On LCD displays, color may confer no benefit at all. In response to my inquiry, Steve Ryan, Program Manager for Energy Star's Power Management Program, asked consulting firm Cadmus Group to run a quick test by loading Blackle, Google on the website of the New York Times, which is, like Google, mostly white on screen, on 2 monitors, one CRT, one LCD, and connecting a power meter to both. We found that the color on screen mattered very little to the energy color consumption of the LCD monitor, said David Korn, principal at Cadmus, which specializes in energy and environment, and does work for the government. The changes were so slight as to be within the margin of error for the power meter. Tweaking brightness and contrast in settings had a bigger effect. The bulkier CRT screen did see savings with blacklight between 5% and 20%. Mr. Korn emphasized that this was a quick test, not a rigorous study.
If you have Stylus extension installed, just create a new style with this exact code. Credit goes to Turton's answer. Update. Apparently, what Stylus says in its message about how this no longer works on special pages like About column blank, it actually still totally does. To add a script, you have to use the workaround proposed by Mike in comments. Open the Manage page of Stylus with the list of all scripts you have. Press Write New Style button. Under the large Mozilla format header, press the Import button, and a pop-up with a text box will open. Paste the entire script from this post into it, and press Overwrite Style. Don't forget to add a descriptive name for the script in the top left text box. Press Save.
I know this is an old question, but in Firefox 64, the Chrome folder doesn't exist anymore in the /library/application support/firefox/profiles/random_text.default location. I did find a setting though under the about column config, key, browser.display.background_color, which you can set to any hex color code. This setting will probably save my eyes a couple dozen times a day. HDH,